What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and as y'all can see, we have a package here to unbox. Y'all know the blue alien is on deck. The Mera Robot GV160 FPV. Okay, so that's it there. So let's crack this open, have a look at it. Opens this way. So this thing is a little hovercraft made with Tiny Whoop parts, it looks like. So it's made of foam, but this foam is pretty hard. Seems like it's going to be really sturdy. We do have some air holes on the bottom there, and I'm guessing that's to cause a little airflow here, a little cushion of air that this thing, I guess, is going to ride on and all. It's going to float on. So let's pull out the transmitter. We have the transmitter here. We have 4 shoulder buttons here. If you guys can see that. Let me turn the light on. Okay. Should be able to see it better now. Let's bring this light down a little. Okay, so we got 4 shoulder buttons here. We have some antennas here. I'm not sure if they're real or not. Doesn't look like they're real. I don't see any wire in there. So they're probably just for show. We have some buttons here on the face. 6 buttons there. 7 if you want to include the power button, on and off switch. We don't have altitude hold or anything because this thing is a land vehicle, of course, but it looks like it controls like a Tiny Whoop or whatnot. So I'm guessing this is going to raise the throttle here. Let me see if I can get some better lighting here. Okay, so I got the light from the cam on now. So we should be able to see it a little better. So let's check the battery bay here. I thought that was a battery bay, so I don't know what this is. Oh, this is probably to hold your phone. So a little spot on the bottom to hold your cell phone, your smartphone. And this is the battery here in the back, battery bay. It takes 3 AA batteries. Happy there's no screw in there to hold that on. It can just be held on by that clip there. And so we do have something else inside the package. This is a battery charger here, PH 2.0 Power Whoop connector to USB. Mera Robot branded. And we have a battery here. So this is a 500 milliamp hour 1S battery. It's not a HV battery, so no high voltage, just normal voltage. Wait a minute. It says 3.8 volts, so I think this is a high voltage battery, but it doesn't specify that it is, but it does say 3.8 volts. Usually the high voltage batteries say that on it. So we should be able to charge this up to high voltage. It is 25C. And so let's have another look at this little guy here. Not sure how you're gonna get the battery in yet. Oh, this comes up. This just pops off there. No, really doesn't clip on or any. Oh, we do have some magnets here. So we have some little magnets to hold it down on these spots here. And so there's the board there, the FC. Flight control board. I don't know. This is the PCB board there. No flying going on with this thing. And we do have the power pigtail here. And it looks like we have a light here. So this isn't the FPV version. This does come in the FPV variant. And I think we're going to probably convert this thing in the long run, in the chop shop, to a FPV vehicle. And so, pretty awesome little boat here, or hovercraft. Let me see. We're going to get this snap back on here. Wow. And it just slaps back in position on its own there. So pretty nice. So far, I'm liking this thing. We're definitely going to test this thing out soon. The Mera Robot GV160 hovercraft. Comes in orange too. Thanks for watching.